In 2026, the job market facing an extinction-level event. Over 50% of work activities will be automated by 2030. For decades, the safest bet was to be a specialist, the lawyer, the doctor, or the coder. But specialization is now a trap. AI can already diagnose diseases, write code, or check your contract, and it will do it better than most humans. So the winners in 2026 will be AI generalists. These are people who use AI to acquire 80% of capability of multiple specialists and do this in a fraction of time. They are one-person armies. So here are 4 powers and 8 skills you need to master to be a generalist. First, the power to build. Building software used to require years of coding experience. Now it requires English, basic English. So skill number 1 is AI-assisted app development. Use tools like Bolt.new or Lovable, Firebase Studio, Anti-Gravity to build apps or websites with pure English. You describe what you want and the AI builds it for you. You can build custom calculators, lead gen tools, or internal trackers for your business. You can build it in 5 minutes instead of 5 months. Second is the power to automate. Success comes down to leverage. AI agents are the new digital labor. They work 24/7 without complaining. So skill number 2 is no-code AI agent development. Use OpenAI GPTs or any other models to build digital workers that handle specific roles. Skill number 3, no-code workflow automations. And it goes like this: Zapier, Make.com, N8N. N8N is the best, but takes a little bit more technical knowledge. Make.com and Zapier super simple but limited. But you will be able to connect all of them to any of your tools. Skill number 4, prompt engineering. Stop basic chatting. Use tools like Snack Prompt to engineer high-level instructions that get consistent results. Skill number 5, API integrations. Use tools like Postman to understand how it works. This will allow your automations to be truly professional. Power number 3, the power to create. Creativity is being democratized. You no longer need a creative agency, you only need a laptop. So skill number 6 is AI content generation. Nana Banana for images, VO3 for videos, Suno for music, 11 Labs for voiceovers. These tools will give you output of an entire production house. So skill number 7, AI editing and enhancement. AI output is often raw. You can use tools like Higgsfield or Descript to buff that content into professional grade. Finally, the power number 4. The power to connect. In 2026, if you don't have professional brand, you don't exist. Connection is survival. Skill number 8. AI enhanced writing. Use Claude or GPT or Gemini to structure your thoughts. Write better and faster. Writing is thinking. Use AI to explore your ideas and communicate them clearly on platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram to build an audience that buys your product. Let me summarize. The evolution doesn't favor the strongest or the smartest. It favors the most adaptable. The AI generalist is the most adaptable human in this digital age. And don't try to learn all skills at once. Pick one power and master the skills.